Take out the Nano Grill F2 from the original box. Please ensure that the required tool is being supplied. Remove the grill plate and the inserted parts, top ring and bottom ring, from the body and insert the body to the barbecue table. Use the drill to connect the body with the barbecue table. Install the control box to the designated location on the table. Connect the body and control box together. Inspect that all cables and electronic lines are correctly inserted in the socket, then put back the insert parts, bottom ring, top ring, and grill plate. This step is very important. Make sure the bottom ring hook faces upward all the time. Plug in the Nano Grill F2 at the electric outlet to the wall. Turn on the control box power to on mode and check if all switches are correctly working. Before putting the meat into the grill, make sure to pour the 10-ounce water into the top ring first. Put the grill plate back into the Nano Grill F2 and apply the oil, such as canola, vegetable, or any type of oil to protect the grill plate. When the customers are seated at the barbecue table, the server must turn on the grill 5 to 10 minutes in high mode to preheat. Barbecue the meat. If the meat smoke is detected, server must turn on the Nano Grill motor fan. For safety, server must turn the fan back on. To keep the restaurant clean, you must install the building exhaust fan. Please follow the building code and discuss this with your mechanical engineer. If the control box is not working, unplug the power cord. Wait 10 minutes, then plug back the power cord. Fuse blown or circuit breaker tripped. Replace the fuse or reset the circuit breaker. It will be hard to check the fuse is burned or broken with your eyes. Please test the fuse with multimeter or replace it with the new 15 ampere fuse. You can locate them at Home Depot, Lowe's, or any local hardware stores. If the fan is not working, bottom ring is not correctly placed, the control box is not correctly placed, if the Nano Grill main bulb infrared lamp is not working, bulb is not connected, make sure the bulb is correctly inserted in the socket. Bulb has burned out or broken, replace the bulb. Require tools to replace the Nano Grill main bulb. Infrared lamp. Remove the grill plate, top ring, and bottom ring from the Nano Grill body. Prepare at least 9.85-inch screwdriver to remove 3 screws in the main bulb holder. Very important step. Flip the main bulb holder and carefully disconnect the main bulb and main bulb holder. Fragile and sensitive. Remove top 4 screws and open the glass top and take out the main bulb. To separate and unlock the main bulb, twist the lock hook. Prepare the electronic strip wire and parts from any local hardware store, such as Home Depot, Lowe's, or any local hardware stores. Join wires with compression sleeves. Cover the top glass at main bulb and insert back the 4 screws. Make sure all parts are correctly inserted in the right places. Malfunction due to incorrect cable connection. Red and white color cables control the temperature. 2 white color cables control the bulb light. Two white cables must connect with 2 red color cables. Must follow this order. Red and white color cables. Must connect red with red color cable and white with white color cable. Must follow this order. Check all parts are correctly inserted in the right places, then put back the 3 screws and lock. Connect the main bulb cable with the Nanotech Grill F2 body and check the grill is working. Make sure all Grill F2 parts are completely set and installed. Contact the Nano Grill F2 technician if the trouble persists.